In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Impreza key fob. This particular device was used on Imprezas between 2001 and 2004, and inside we'll find one CR2032 battery. So you will need a 2032 battery, and you will need a Phillips head screwdriver about the size to remove these screws here. So something about this size. By the way, if you need to pick one of these batteries up, you don't want to go shopping around in the store, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price. It's just a couple bucks and it'll come right to your door. And then if you do not have something lying around the house that is this size, that will remove the screws on your device. I will also leave a link to get some of these precision screwdrivers. There are Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers of multiple sizes, and again, it's just a couple bucks on Amazon. So if you're interested, check that out. And once you have everything you need, we will just be removing these two back screws. And once we get this back piece of plastic off, it's actually super easy. So go ahead, set your screws to the side, do not lose them, and now remove this back piece of plastic. Here is our battery. We will just use our thumb and just slide it out gently. Remove the old battery, take your new CR2032 2032. Again, check the description if you need to pick one of those up. And when you're putting the new battery in, make sure this positive side goes face up. And you just want to slide it down into place so that it sits securely. And then we would just put this back piece of plastic on and twist these two screws back in. That's all it takes. Just gonna give these a couple turns. You do not need to make them super tight, just a finger tightness so that it just holds the two pieces together, just like that. And now if you want to flip it over, you can press the button and the battery, the light should come on if your battery has juice and if you did everything right. So if your light comes on, you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery on any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.